Everybody on the internet who talks about affiliate marketing always said it is so easy. It is the best business model in the world. Is affiliate marketing really easy? No, it's not. Hello, I am Namita and I help beginners who want to learn and earn from affiliate marketing. Also, you will get unique tips and tricks related to affiliate marketing on this channel. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, just click on the subscribe button so that you will not miss any video. Are you also think affiliate marketing easy? If you want to know the answer of this question, then watch the video till the end. So in this video, I am going to compare all the popular online business models so that you can have clear idea about what the other business look like, and you can decide yourself what is the best business model. Yes, affiliate marketing is easy, but when compared to other business model, it is not easy. It doesn't mean you don't need to work in affiliate marketing. You can make millions in dollars in just one night. So the first popular business model is social media marketing agency. So for this, first of all, you need to have a deep knowledge about digital marketing. In the social media marketing, what you have to do is you get clients and leads for the offline businesses. Yes, like restaurants or any other offline business, you derive traffic to you, get leads to them from Google ads or Facebook ads. For that you need to have a great knowledge, deep knowledge about digital marketing. Okay, in social media marketing you get sales leads for offline businesses. So you have to go to them and you have to pitch your business to them, that how can you get them sales. For that you need sales skills. If you have good sales skills, then only you get clients. Otherwise you will not able to get clients. Also, you have to maintain your customers, because if you do not able to get clients, the offline business would not work with you. So this is about social media marketing agency. Next is drop shipping. In this also you need to know digital marketing, how to get leads, because you have to derive traffic to your Shopify store. You have to set up a Shopify store and you promote product. For product you need to find supplier to promote their product. Okay, also there is low profit margin, because you need to handle all customer service, all shipping service also have to bear shipping charges, everything in this drop shipping. So profit margin is low, so it's all about drop shipping. Now you can compare both of these and you can find what works best for you. Next is freelancing. It's good, but it has some limitation, because suppose you are a video editor or you are a graphic designer. You cannot edit so many videos in one day. You cannot design so many logos in one day. You have a time restrictions. So that's why you can generate limited amount of money if you work alone. That's another thing. If you have a team, then you can generate good amount of money. But you work as a solopreneur, you have a limited time. You cannot work 24 hours. That's why you can generate only limited amount of. Next is affiliate marketing. In this also you need to know, you need to have some skills like digital marketing, how to derive traffic to your website, how to get leads, how to generate leads, how to convert leads into customers, how to sell your products. Look, you have to knowledge about some skills related to any business. But There are some plus points in affiliate marketing. No customer service. You don't need to worry about customer service because those who own product you are promoting, they handle customer service. Also there is high ticket products also in the affiliate marketing. That means you don't need to sell large number of products. Just like in drop shipping. In drop shipping you need to sell if you want to make $10,000 per month. Okay, or you selling $50 product. Then for making $10,000 products, you need to sell large number of that products. But it's not case in affiliate marketing. If you're promoting $1,000 or $2,000 product, you just need 10 sales to make $10,000 per month. But for that also you need to have deep knowledge about. So these are the online business models. Now you can compare and find what works best for you. So all of these I found affiliate marketing is one of the easiest when compared to other. That means it is not easy because you also have to put lot of hard work. Don't think you don't need to put hard work, you don't need to work on this. No, it's not. You have to put your hard work, you have to work to make good amount of money in affiliate marketing. When you are beginner, you have to put lot of hard work, you have to put a lot of time, you have to give time to gain knowledge, you have to give time to learn new skills. But if you learn, so we conclude that affiliate marketing is easiest when compared to other business model. That doesn't mean it's easy. It is a simple, it's not complex. You just need to pick a product and you can start promoting, and you need 2 or 3 skills on which you can work on daily basis. So if you found this video useful, just like the video and share this video with your friends also who are interested in affiliate marketing, and click on the subscribe button for more amazing videos. See you soon in the next video.